Big up to the whole 300 team. Worldwide. You see me I say? You don't know the thing. We are talk something about dancehall history today. Now do it on the live that me can save it. You know, and post it to YouTube. I'm gonna come with a YouTube channel where I drop up on a YouTube channel where I go do some blogging. You see me I say? So actually I'm inside of my bedroom right now. Actually I have my bedroom inside of my studio. No, my studio inside of my bedroom. We are talking something about dancehall from back in the days, come straight up, because like dancehall is my history, and you know, we contribute a lot of things to dancehall over the years. You see me I say, as a youth growing up, music was my first love. I love music from a long time. From me I go to school, I love music. I mean, I tell you when I fall in love with music. I fall in love with music when I hear a song. I come from school, I hear a song, I play. I walk across the common. You see me? I say, I used to go to Yellow Primary School. I walk across the field. I come from the fair. You know, the fair did I go on, and body there, the fair, I enjoy themselves and everything like that. You know, we out and body now, we clean clothes and them thing there. See me I say, short God, big up yourself. A dancehall history we are going to give them. We are going to give them the history from way back then come straight up. So, how me fall in love with music, you know, I walk across the field, I leave from the fair. I hear a song come on, the music, the sound I play the music. I think the sound did name Super Soul or one of them sound there. I hear a song named Murderer, Blood is on your shoulder. Kill like today, you can't kill like tomorrow. I hear that song, the brother. I come across the field. I say, Jano. I listen to the message of the music. I say, Jano, murderer, blood is on your shoulder. Kill like today, you can't kill like tomorrow. I say to myself, say, yo, Jano, how him construct that song there so? See, a Bobo Bantan did sing the song there, you know. And way before that, we always hear some whole heap of song. As a kid growing up, me always hear some whole heap of song. So I tell you how me first fall in love with music on a different level. Hear Murderer, Blood on your shoulder, and told the man construct the song and told the man write the song. Big up everybody who joined the live. Share it for me there, because I talk some something and I talk some real thing on the live. I talk some things. I go into some history with Bounty Killer, Beanie Man, Sizzler, Vibes Cartel. I go into some history with some people. So anyway, some fall in love when me hear Bounty Bobo Bantan, Murderer, Blood is on your shoulder. I go to primary school them time there. So you don't know we like music, so that give me a concept of how you can construct a song and them thing there. Boom! Fast forward to high school now, man, be a high school. See? I go to school. And BT, we have BT them time there. Big up yourself, Natty Chris Sound, St. Thomas. We talk something about the East and how the East contribute to the music. So yo, man be high school now, boom, BT come in here now. So you don't know we have the reggae music. And we kind of get introduced to hip hop here now. The West Coast beef, Tupac and Biggie. See me? So as so now we start construct songs on a different level. Me and a youth named Bish Meezy link up. That's my brother from a long time. Long time me and Bish Meezy, but then time they will say we have a right song. A youth named Chelwell. And D/ them youth. But them youth there. A wicked writer them time. The wicked army them time there. And we are come up and you know we are doing little school concert and everything like that and I do music. But at that time now, we are St. Thomas. So we say, you know what? We want to see how this music thing go. So you know what we start do? Start put our money together and start left from country go town. And we are left from country go town. Start our studio. Go see where I go on. You see me I say so we start our studio. The first studio we start go watch as kids. Little youth. Time that we about 14 brother or 13 or something, but we are little teenager brother. We go there. And we got some Boobson. The King Jammy studio. We got link up with a youth named Jam 2. Them time there, Jam 2 is a young youth. King Jammy's little son. So at school has to but him at the music. You see me and say Baby G them down there do them thing. Black Pearl, big up Black Pearl. Black Pearl are the youth. I'm going to give you the history with Black Pearl. Black Pearl are one of the greatest Jamaican right time writing. Whole heap of Bounty Killer song. And whole heap of them, him construct whole heap of them type of solid music that was there. Me not hear enough people give Black Pearl no credit. So big up Black Pearl. So anyway, with our King Jam is, I see the thing. Elephant Man, Shizzle Man, Nizzle. Brand new style I take over the island Nizzle. Shout it in a town and come chisel. Wanna hear from the Shizzle Man Nizzle there. And me name Dizzle. So you know that Shizzle Man Nizzle there because we used to play basketball. Because I'm a wicked basketball player, you know. We used to play basketball my King Jam is as a youth. So Elephant Man and Baby G always want me on them team. Because you don't know we swag out from them time they two are come from country. So we clean as young youth. Them time the Elephant Man a lock down the place. We born out gay guy. Ooh, this is for real. Full time now, PG I go look a why full time now. You see me them song the brother. Elephant Man a lock on the place. Lexus hot. You see me and say, you don't know big up to Elephant Man because you don't know we are rolling the street with elephant. Them time the elephant a drive the expedition. Them time the elephant hot brother. See me and say Lexus hot, Bounty Killer hot. Them man they come a studio and them run money. You see me and say anytime them do dub plate, them time they dub plate I do audition their jammies. Line long from right just go way back there so. The audition for artists, whole heap of artists want audition. See me and say me I tell you about King Jammies days and after we left from country and start take bus and go town. Thief for our school and say yo, we have got a studio because we want to know about this music business and now because we have to contribute to this music business. So anyway, me did a write music them time, them never really pursue to be an artist. Me just did a construct and give ideas because as a young youth you don't know you have whole heap of young things that go on in your mind. You're young and you're fresh so you have whole heap of mind. So we contribute a lot to Elephant Man. Now I go say we write the song them because you don't know because writing at that time you'd have to sit down and write song, but in them time you're in the studio and man I do them song and you have to give them words and them thing there because so the song them did a build them time there. Man they lock out some man and some man get to come in and we screeching and you don't know so we clean and them thing there and we have a swag. We come in and you know we link with Jam 2 and we link with Black Pearl. You don't know Black Pearl are the engineer. Screeching, then time they war 21 them hot too. Big up Soko, big up Conley. You see me I say, me 2G them there. Big up Rumblood and Mean Dog and them youth the same way. To them time they may tell about Waterhouse days brother we down there. You see me I say, them time the cartel no come by yet. Them time the cartel there Waterford, them a do them stage show and them something there. Over Portmore. And I do badness same time. Cartel are real in the street too. Big up Cartel. Cartel link never make it this up. You don't know. There now. Boom. Fast forward now. Coming up. Elephant Man. You know spend whole heap of money in studio all the time. As I say Bounty Killer spend money. I tell about the man them where spend money in studio and them thing there. Boom. Vibes Cartel you know. Start link with Jam 2 that a our virgin Jam 2. Start link with Jam 2. Start come to studio and do him thing. Young Adi. Adi do a song with Beanie Man called Picture This, Best Specialist, have me a turn and twist. A Beanie Man give Cartel him full. What do you call it? Beanie Man put a stamp on Cartel thing different from Bounty Killer and the world need to know that. You see me? Which in that Cartel did at. So Beanie Man did have to do a song with Cartel, but that was back in the days when you at the man them, the big artists them did a give the young artists them a push. Cause remember say Bounty Killer bring Cartel to the forefront of the music business. You see me I say Cartel was there now as a young youth like we know penning whole heap of these songs. I pen whole heap of songs cause we did a pen whole heap of songs for these big great acts as kids. Cartel forward in you know a link with Jam 2 and a pen whole heap of song. Cartel get him first big song. We done a passa the night. Rest in peace, Danny Bull. All who know Danny Bull from St. Thomas, I used to drive the big black Benz. Rest in peace, Danny Bull. That's my family for life. Rest in peace, Danny Bull. Don't a passa. Man, then chop his song. Take Body Girl. That's a Cartel first hit song. And then him have picture me and you with Beanie Man. Saying, me a go into the history of dancehall. Because enough boy don't know history of dancehall. You know? Some boy just a chat about dancehall, you know. I mean, I tell you about dancehall. Nuno Post. R.I.P. to Nuno Post from down at TG. Me and Chrysler, Nuno Post, Danny Bull them dead. Maestro them play Cartel song and we dead. Because we in the street them time they bro God. Them time that we in the street as what me da call with them time them. Me even know. We wouldn't say we are not a road manager or nothing, but we are the in the street youth them where I make you link them and we have a link them. Okay, you don't know. Nuno Post a St. Thomas youth too. R.I.P. to Nuno Post as I said before. You see me I say? Cartel song drop. Boom. Take Body Girl, it have to play about 50 times and I exaggerate. About 50 times. Boom, Cartel thing at now. Ma come up. Cartel from Portmore. Now me, I got high school. We are bad. When I say bad, we're not doing violence, but you know we bad. In the streets, you know, we broke rules. You know? School sometimes we go in a studio. We a town or no matter things so we there a country, there a school. Boom, Cartel, you know. Link make with Cartel now. Bigger 5. Link make with Bigger 5. Half Bigger 5. It's all about a car what a nigga drive. Girl stand up in a sun, them foot start bun, them see a walk foot man. Run them. Tell me, I tell you now. So we link with Bigger 5 now. Bigger 5 them. Down at them everybody link. Bigger 5 I'm a real G up to this day. See me I say big up Bigger 5 anywhere in there. We St. Thomas youths. Have a place name down a yellow's name. Links Cafe. What's a books here now? Make the link with Links Cafe. Bigger 5 Vibes Cartel them. Cartel start keep him birthday bash. In a heavy when I must say January time. Name, picture, me and you. See me I say, you don't know, big up me next. Link them from east, where they a part of the road craft to make it happen. With we and everybody, boom. Cartel start keep a show up there with the whole alliance. Beanie Man was the headliner all the time. Bunty never come yet. Me don't know why. Bunty never come at the show there. Anyway, the show keep over the years. Some little thing go on and then the show stop keep. And after that show stop keep, that was where the link between Vibes Cartel and St. Thomas mash up. Because of that same stage show, picture me and you with a lot of technical difficulty in the street. You don't know Cartel them in the street youth. You don't know Yala, St. Thomas, Church Corner, Marant Bay, Grand Spen in the street. So the stage show get to mash up right there. So you know, a lot of vibes go on, so the stage show get to mash up. So there you go with the link between Vibes Cartel and St. Thomas. Mash up. Saying boom. So that are the link that's with Cartel. So we're gonna rest that for another time when we're gonna talk about the history of dancehall. So anyway, boom now. As I said before, we construct a lot of songs. Beanie Man, Elephant Man, Bounty Killer, Dada, Sizzler, and all of these things. Boom now. Because them time we have the promotion now, we start keep stage show, we start keep events and everything, so we have whole heap of link with the artists. So I show you how we as St. Thomas was contributing to dancehall. And I show you how me contribute to dancehall over the years. So remember, how we make a link with Vibes Cartel, can go keep picture me and you in the streets and all of these things. Boom now. Bounty Killer. Bounty Killer now and Vibes Cartel them. After Alliance days, Bounty and Cartel start in a Vibes now. So the link now make with St. Thomas and Bounty Killer. Remember, Bounty Killer never used to come to the stage show. when Cartel used to keep it, Beanie Man used to come. Big up everybody who up on the live, share it for me, and all who want to know about the history of dancehall from my perspective and what me know about dancehall and what me did there, I goggles it out and I look and I make you know how I go on. So now Bounty Killer goes to Bobsy and now and start link with St. Thomas. Start link with Grand Spend man them. First, R.I.P. to First, me G. Real Tuggy. R.I.P. to me Linky First. Big up GP. You see me I say. Big up Ratty. You see me I say that a petrol youth. Family them for life. You see me I say. And me could have taken back little more with the Ninja Man link, but that would have gone too far. So me just keep that link there and come right to Bounty Killer. So now Bounty Killer goes to Bobsy and now and start keep Sagal to the east in a St. Thomas. See me I say, Sagal to the east come a St. Thomas. I think I just 1 year. Sizzler come, shell down the place. Police them charge Sizzler for bad word. Lock him up. One lock up Bounty Killer run. Not run, Bounty Killer drive out and left. Them a look for him and couldn't get him. Okay, you don't know, we lead him out. You see me I say? And all of these things. So that stage show mash up. Killer keep a stage show every year I go and spend them time there. Not him really keep it, him just come endorse it and come perform on them stage show a grand spend. That a grand spend here at St. Thomas. Him forward and do him thing. So him give the East a strength from them time there. You see me I say? And then you don't know the link with Bounty Killer was coming from Black Pearl days coming straight up. So yo, that link was pencil right there. So boom now, the link with Killer did pencil right there. So from back in the days from where we are at school, now we have a next link with Killer, you know, when Killer come a St. Thomas, you know, come chill and do him thing. You see me I say, boom, rest that there. Sizzler Kalunch, you know. Sizzler Kalunch goes to Babson. Forward in the east. I look land for buy and them thing there. See me and say. There with my little daughter, they up there on the little studio base, so we have a yellow fan and wanna do a little thing and him forward and here say Sizzler down on the road and I go to Bob, so I go down there and I chat to him. Don't know we are in the street youth, how we run the road. Chat to him and tell him say that we have a studio up there, so and him come and him give you a song. And I read him up there of a mellow studio and go to Bob, so and do a song. Then the link with Sizzler start make. You know, different. From all GP them and Grand Spend man them have the link down there, say, you know, so the link get carpet set with Sizzler now. Me used to have Bobo with Sizzler, my G. Bobo. Sizzler call my phone and say, yeah, forward, bring a pound of weed up a Bobo we a go way up a Bobo sit down. Me a go na history. Up a Bobo sit down with Sizzler, me and Bish Meezy and now go up there. Sizzler, reach up a Bobo and now start look around, cause the same used to meditate and worship. You see me I say Rastafari and all them thing there and teach. Him get the teaching of Rastafari, right? That's up a Bobo Hill. So you don't know. When him bust now, him go back a Bobo Hill, you know. He go invest in a Bobo Hill, fix up the place, you know. Bring in some things. So we up there, you know, cause high school we go brother, we have sense. Start coordinate up what we go on and him a walk on and we a walk around with him in the bush them and everywhere. And I look on the building what we repair and we a write it down and boom, 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 boom. And that him call me and Bish me if you do. Because him did come at Amstead. Two, on a different level. Because see we did a shoot a video. Me and Bish Meezy and Jimmy Coot make we and him link. Me I call some real name, you know, me what me shouldn't even call, but you don't know at the end of the day history have to be told. You see me I say? So from there say, you know, him call me, you know, say come a Bobo Hill. I'm up a Bobo Hill. And you don't know my mother always a try check up and we were with it because we ever there everywhere, brother. We there Portmore. We there Mobile, we there Uptown, we there everywhere. So boom, we up a Bobo Hill and we stick back here now, we there, we are eat sub Rasta food and them thing that we are born with and we there and we are all a Rems and, you know, drummer play, we are chant and everything. Boom, my phone ring. My mother call me, yo. Over you there? From morning, me I look for you, I can't see you. Can't talk too loud. Because you don't know we are black a reverence. And we are worship and we are pray. Me there, Bobo Hill. Mother say, what you say there? Me there, Bobo Hill. What? Bobo Hill? You know, you're afraid I'll sacrifice you. And tell them mother, I say, yo, man, the man them up above will sacrifice me because those were the things where them used to talk about Rasta. Say Rasta will sacrifice you up above oil and all of these things and pray. Me go up there for my own self. Because he say, yo, Bobo is a different thing. Not to mention, you know, me up there, you know, Bish Measy did have him little locks a groom up already and everything. Me never have no locks. Same time they have Mohawk, me have on one side, red on one side, orange. And Sizzler never condemn me. See me I say? So after that Sizzler, you know, start keep a little show down on grand spend. You don't know the Sizzler link get strong and them thing there. See me I say so. But just I show the eye them say, yo, music.